That's one.
Any people?
No. Oh, yeah. No, that is.
Oh, there?
Next to we got some more.
Oh.
Just a body part.
So not even in front, I have another box in front, I gotta break up. Okay.
Yeah.
Chop it next.
Okay.
I help you chop all of that wood there.
Yeah, we're gonna
Instead
try
of sawing
we're
it,
gonna
you
try it later.
chop
We're gonna
it.
try it in a it's
Are they
not.
gonna try this one?
Just make sure you don't inch the leg.
Oh, no, we're gonna put it in that stop there
Yeah.
and chop it.
Where do you want me to leave it? It could also be used for something else, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add coconut milk. Some salt.
You wanna add some of this? You have like onion, garlic, celery.
No, I'll be putting it. You could put it, but yeah, I'll make it natural. Some salt.
You can put some dry thyme, no?
Yeah. And now for the seasoning.
You get pepper?
Yeah.
Oh.
So now for the thyme. Right thyme.
Yeah, put pepper, no? Black pepper.
Yeah, could add some black pepper.
You can season it?
And green seasoning. Okay, all done. Just got started up. This is mutton. Muttons. Okay.
Alright guys, this is Metz. I'm making the jerk chicken. Making dumpling?
Yeah.
Yeah, making dumpling and put it inside, okay? Come back and show you guys later. That's the left hand. Soup.
Put it now, right?
This is the metem that we make. See, beautiful metem soup. All right, beautiful metem. Look at that. All right, guys, nothing like a metem. Okay, and then we have the jerk chicken over here. Make the jerk chicken. Nice jerk chicken that we did earlier. That we will eat it with the metem. With this, okay? With the dumpling. Alright. Beautiful. Metem with jerk chicken. Alright. This is metem with jerk chicken. Metem soup. Metem. Okay? Jerk chicken. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. Alright. Here's the provision. Cassava, plantain, eddo, sweet potato. Alright. Coconut milk, green seasoning, pepper, scallion, onion, garlic. All the good stuff in here. Alright. Look at that. Nice. You know. Alright guys. Thank you guys. Subscribe. Alright.